to start writing on Medium. Hi guys, today I am giving you a medium.com tutorial how to write articles on medium.com. So let's get started. Now first you have to do is just go to medium.com and create an account. Now creating an account is super easy. All you have to do is just sign up with your Google account and you will be able to use medium.com. It is completely free. Now when we come on medium.com, there are different options where you can actually, check out different articles from people. For example, you can see right here, I use medium.com and I love it because medium.com not only gives you an opportunity to write articles, but it actually, when you make an account on medium.com, that's actually your website. So here's actually a very cool trick about medium.com. Whenever somebody asks me to log into any website, for example, if any other platform requires a professional website, you can just simply type medium.com and that's your website because you have an account on medium.com. It allows you to create your own article and your website. In the following, you will actually see different people that you follow. You can actually browse different stories that are recommended. In the recommended for you option, you will see all of these different articles and blogs by different people that they have written. Now the question is, how do we write an article on medium.com? It's super easy. Once you have created your profile, you will see all of these options right here. First option is for the search. Then there is the option of bookmark, notifications, upgrade, and this is my profile. When I click right here, you will see the option of write stories, stats, design your profile, settings, list, publications, control your recommendation, medium partner program, help, and sign out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on write a story. Once I do that, here I will be actually able to add my article or blog or whatever I want to write. I will simply write here. Once you write this, then we will be able to publish it. So now we're just going to give it a title. For example, let me grab something from my Word that I have already written. So I will just simply go to my Word and copy this title right here without the image though. There you go. You can see this is the title for my article that I have just added right here. Now, if I click on tell your story, I can simply click on this plus button and I can just go ahead and add an image. I can actually go ahead and add an image from the splash. If I want to add a video, I can do that as well. If I want to embed any other thing, I can do that as well. So I have all of these different options, but I actually want to type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again go to my Word and I'm just going to, grab this article of mine that I have written. So I'll just simply copy it. And after that, I'm going to paste it right here. If you want to type it, you will simply type your story or your article right here. Now this is the article that I have written. So once you have written your article, and now what's going to happen is that I can actually select any of the text and I can actually, do all of these different changes. For example, if I want to make it bold, I can do that. If I want to make it italic, if I want to add a link, I can simply go ahead and paste the link right here. For example, the good thing about medium.com is that it allows you to add links as well. So for example, if I want to add a link, let's just, copy this one and let me show you how you actually add a link. So what's going to happen is let me just select any of the word. Let's select this word and I'm going to add a link for this and I'm going to paste right here. Once I do that, now my link will be added to this. You can see that when somebody will click on this word, they will be dragged to this website. This is how you add links on medium.com. Super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually, gonna unbold it and I don't want it to be italics. Now, if I want it to make the text bigger, I can do that. If I want it to be smaller, I can do that as well. If I want to add any commas or if I want them to be, stand out, I can simply do that as well. So this is pretty good how you can do all of these changes and make your article look good. For now, I'm gonna leave it this way in the small text. Great. After that, I can just, grab something. For example, let's make this one. Okay, just kind of ignore the mistakes. I kind of copied the wrong version. This was not the final version. So what's gonna happen is I can actually make this one like this. So this looks pretty good. And what's going to happen next is that this is how you actually, kind of make your article stand out. So let's just, let me grab this and make it in the big text right here. So this is how you can actually, do all of these different changes and write an article on medium.com. So once you're done with all of these settings, you think that everything now looks good, you will simply go ahead and you will simply leave it this way. So once your article is written, you have made all of the changes, you have added all the links. Now it's time to publish your article. If you'll click on these three dots, you will now see all of these different options. For example, add to publication. Now add to publication simply means adding it to the publish, which is also available right here. Share the draft link, share to Twitter. If you want to share your article directly to your Twitter account, you can do that. Manage unlisted settings. Manage featured images. If you have any images added into your article, you can actually, go ahead and manage them. Change display title and subtitle. If you want to change the title of your article, you can do that as well. Change tags if you want to change tag. See revision history and more setting. Revision history means that you can actually see all of the changes that you did in your article. And if you want to redo something, if you want to undo something, you can just simply go ahead and do that. Then there's this option of hints and keyword research. Now this is pretty good. If I click on right there, you will be able to see these options. So you can see the keyboard shortcuts right here that I selected. Another thing that you can do in your articles is that you can actually, tag somebody that that you actually follow on medium.com, any of your follower. You can actually, just type add, and after that you can add the name of that person. You will see that you can actually tag any of these people that are available on medium.com. So I'm just gonna tag this person and I can just add them within my article or blog. So that's pretty good that you can actually add people right here. For now I'm gonna delete them because they'll be like, who tagged us, why this person is tagging us. So what you do is you simply go ahead and add and after that type the name and you will be able to add that person. Super easy. And all of these options actually make it very SEO friendly as well. Your content is very SEO friendly and you have the chances to stand on the very top pages of the Google with your article through medium.com. So once you're done with writing your article, what you will do is you will simply click on publish. Once you click on publish, now if you want to add a quality image for your story preview, you can do that. So what's going to happen is that I'm just going to go ahead. If you had added an image into your article, then it would have been come here. I didn't add any image, so that's why I don't have any image that I can add as a preview. But I suggest that you go ahead and add a high quality image in your story to make it more inviting to readers, because of course you'll have an image when a person sees. It's like adding a thumbnail, a very catchy thumbnail to your article, and that will actually invite all of these readers to your article. After that, add or change tags. I can actually add different tags into it, so I'm just gonna go with skincare. And there you go. Then there was healthcare. Let's go with that. Style. This is how you actually add different tags into your article, and it is suggested that you should add different tags so that your article stands out. And then I'm gonna add another tag which should say maybe fitness. So once I do that, you will be able to add all of these tags. There you go. So I have added up to 5 tags. This looks pretty good now. So what's gonna happen is now I can schedule it for later if I want to publish it later. If I want to publish it now, I will simply click on publish now. So once I click on publish now, you will see they're publishing my story, and it literally takes 10 seconds to publish your story. And you can see right here that I have published this article right here, and this is what my article looks like on medium.com. It's super easy to add your article and write an article on medium.com. Now they're asking me to share my article with Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn if I want to, or I can just simply copy the link for my article and share it on other platforms as well. So if you can see right here, all of these social media options are given right here. If I want to share it, after that you can see that this is what my name is showing, and after that when you are done with writing, you can see my other articles as well that I actually published. You will see them right here. So that's a good thing about medium.com. You can actually, go ahead and comment as well. You will see the tags right here, and this is pretty good. And you actually see the time right here, like 2-minute read. Or when a reader is about to read, they actually check out the time and they're like, okay, so this will take 2 minutes. This is good. So they will be able to read my article that I just created in front of you and published on medium.com. You can do that as well. It's super easy to write an article on medium.com. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to write your own articles on medium.com with ease. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.